Kajingi ban persya ya ke Sorkar pedang ban penteri kam ya ka an CAA lani ke Citizenship Amendment Act hari India keladang ya bitang hadu mentah haki Jylla jong kathan syate lamingi kentup ru ha ka Meghalaya habakran hak jelang pai ba bala pelong da keseng jong ki samla pule ke North Eastern Students Organization ne neso bala pelong hakmat jong umot kiang nong ba hajan civil hospital u president ke Khasi Student Union uba Lambokstar marngar ubadai ru uwe ni kinong ilam ke neso ula kentho ya ke Sorkar India kabale bom sutnyo ya ki reulum khasi jentia uba Lambokstar ulo ongru ba Hato ka Sorkar India katip ne ya ke history jong kajat benreu khasi penar jongi bat ulo ongru ba kajat benreu kala kentiu burom ya kala malairong jong kari Henry Hato ka Sorkar India kala ain ya ke hok bakum kajat benreu ka de benyo ulo ongru ba Sorkar Jylla kala pha ya ki atli kimat jingdawa sya ka Sorkar India kata ban pentrekam no ya ki inline permit bat ban penrung ya ka krian khasi ha ka khenet ka pra jong karti sensya kari India ya ka ba ka Jylla kala dawa menta labon bun snem
sakano telikis nam bakani ka ju kar komperkhat pedang jong kinongway nang thi na indi nari ritor kin persyang banjura ya ka hok ka jongi hangray akon kanay ka puak na sabandong kanay ka sur jong babon balang jong Trai Muluk kanyay pensawa kanyay kelang bat nganyay kaang namta ka hok ka jongi ban pensno Sorkar India bagade ben buram bagade ben Ithuh Ïangi jong Trai Muluk ban ay ka chingada ka pura hangray lamda kari tang sa bandong garing penpena barai himapi kum Trai Muluk nidan nila ka chok ban rai banyada yang chong ka kedok siap ya kari bat ka chat ban rehu rok kawai
khen begini ka chu kari ka chu gibril balik hapan pen ter bom na kawai ka pot kawai pat ngai kini ke boro khat baca Ïangi kum ka than sti lamingi boro kawai ban I kum ka chat menteri boro kawai Hato mentangi kum ka chat menteri kay bagi don mangin sung sngi ka Sorkar India om tangata regla penbun ru ikibor sipai haka than ste lamingi hibur akawai batang haka Jylla jungi kumbangi I ke juba basan hajar ekar ka jaka tang haki sipai naipat yakan BSF naipat yakan CRP naipat yakan kiwei paramilitary forces re tang sipai ki army ki air force hangne ko Jylla jungi ki don ka jaka ka basan hajar ekar.
See, the message today we want to send to the central government to recognize, respect the sentiment of people of the Northeast and see the government demand the implementation of the ILP across the Northeast. To recognize the Khasi and the Rohis and the education, the unemployment youth across the Northeast. So we believe and we hope that the central government should listen, should respect the voice and the aspiration, the desire of people of Northeast.
Yeah, the government of Meghalaya also has a duty to aggressively pursue these issues. But at the same time, the government of India also should not wait for all that to happen, or for people to agitate on the streets, or for different states of northeastern region to agitate in the respective states for the government of India to address these issues. If they are really concerned about the welfare of our people, then they should look at these issues without waiting for any agitation, without waiting for any aggressive pressure on the government of India.
We have also demanded to repeal Armed Force Special Power Act. We have also demand to repeal CA in the entire state of Northeast, and we have also demanded ILP for the entire Northeast state. So, and also we have also demanded to have a special employment zone for the entire Northeast, so that local youth will get more number of seats in different central public sector service or office in the state of Northeast as a whole.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.